Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am planning for the week of July the 17th using a sticker kit that I created in Canva. This is a coffee theme. If you're new here or if you don't know me like that, I am a coffee fanatic. I drink at least 3 to 4 cups of coffee every day. Which is why you guys always see coffee in my grocery hauls and coffee creamer. So I'm really loving this pattern. I purchased it off of Etsy. There are a lot of Etsy shops that sell digital paper packs, and you can upload those to Canva and just drag and drop them into a grid. And it works really well and was really easy to figure out. I did want to mention, I had a comment, I think it might have been last week, from somebody who said, that used to be a budgeting channel and now, I'm selling stickers, and that's certainly not the case. I'm just sharing my love of planning with you guys. If you're here for the budgeting and you don't really care for the planning content, it won't hurt my feelings if you don't watch this one or skip it and wait for some budgeting content to come out. I know it's not for everybody, but I absolutely love planning. I love stickers. I love creating stickers and sharing my favorite sticker shops with you guys. And, hopefully the majority of you don't mind me sharing, this passion of mine with you. I'm always trying to find less expensive ways to do this, and creating my own stickers has definitely made a big difference. You can purchase paper packs, big bundles on Etsy for, $5 or $6 and, have dozens of paper packs to choose from. And that's basically what I did. I had some Etsy income and I, just kind of turned that money around and bought some paper packs so that I could use it for filming. But anyway, that's enough about that. So I am on vacation Monday, Tuesday, so 17th and 18th, and I come back on Wednesday, and I start work, go back to work on Thursday and Friday. And you'll see when I'm putting down these stickers that I have clearly forgotten that I am not working Monday and Tuesday, because I put stickers on Monday and Tuesday as if I'm working and have all of my regular meetings. So shame on me. I definitely won't forget. I'm not going to take my planner with me on vacation. I'm not taking my work laptop. I am going to have fun visiting with friends. And so my plans for this week, Monday, is to hang out with my best friend and her daughter and husband. We are going to spend the day together, and then we will go out to dinner. And then Tuesday, I plan to just kind of hang out, and then we'll probably have dinner at home because I fly out pretty early on Wednesday morning to come back home. So, like I said, I've totally messed up Monday and Tuesday, so ignore all these meeting stickers. But I was supposed to be on call on Monday, and luckily my coworker agreed to switch days with me. So he's going to cover me on Monday, and I am going to cover for him being on call on Thursday, which is a different day for me. I am going to try to go to my support group meeting at 3:00 each day. It's about an hour and a half long, and if my friend is working during the day and it's just me and her daughter hanging out, I might try to listen in while, maybe playing some games or watching TV. So I am going to try to get those in as well. So Wednesday is my day off, and like I said, I fly out early, but I am supposed to be back in Little Rock before noon. I got a really good return flight. There is one stop, but there's no plane change, which is really strange. I don't think I've ever had a flight without a plane change. So on Friday, I have lots of meetings to go to, and then on Saturday, I don't have a whole lot going on except for just probably getting ready for our move, because when I get back on the 19th, I'm going to have less than 2 weeks until we get the keys and start moving into the new place. So, yeah, it's going to be kind of hectic. But I really think that this spread turned out really well. So let me know down in the comments what you think, and check out my template for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.